Goodest afternoon to everybody paying attention. My name is Silas. This is Silas Trades. That's proficient. So as you can see, we do have our markups made. We had some markups on NAS. We had an upward trend, but NAS kind of stayed within this range. We didn't even take too many trades over there, but we could have got some of those buys. But gold is where we made the money today, and I'm going to keep it real short, real sweet. We're going to take off all the indicators, all the drawings, and I'm going to do my best to make this video short, sweet, quick, and informative. Now, I do the same thing every morning, so I'm going to show you what that is. If I'm not doing pre-market trades, which is about from 5 to 8, about this area, then I'm waiting on 8:30. If I am taking any trades in pre-market, I'm just taking them that are down off support and resistance because it's usually the same. But we took no pre-market trades today. Today is Monday. I'll go to 8:15 and take the open, which is the top of the candle. This one in particular, because it was going open, and the close, which is the bottom. We'll mark that red, and then we wait for 8:30. Now, influences to indicate which direction price is going in. Now we already know gold's been making new highs, so 9 out of 10, just off our direct bias of what we think of, we thinking gold is going to go up, right? So first thing is we put at 8:30, which is this one. Go back to 8:15, mark off the open and the close, and play off price. Now, as you can see, this wick indicates what price was. So in the beginning, price did come down below our 8:15, indication of bearish pressure, which is down, but it was a fake out, and we can indicate that of support. Now, what is support? Support is the floor that's created as price moves on. So before 8:30, let's say 15. So before 8:30, we have wicks being formed. The lowest one being here. So this is where price was trying to go down, but failed to do so, creating support or the floor. This is all before 8:30. Before 8:30, we have these wicks at the top. That's resistance. Let me mark it off for a better. If you guys see it, so the floor that's created is support. The roof that's created, it's in my way, is resistance. So this is all before 8:30. So when 8:30 happens, price fakes out. It does drop down to support, but we're taking our time. FOMO is not something that we're subscribed to, so we don't care that price may. We just wait a minute, let price do what it does. We don't have any news events. It's Monday. We're letting price find its direction. So we do come down to support, but eventually we go back above the open. We're headed back up. We break support. So breaking above or open, that's one bullish confluence. Breaking above resistance, two bullish confluences. If we look to the left, we have these two equal highs. We break above that. That's three signals for confluence, but we're not going to take that into account. We're just going to use the solid strategy, which is our 8:15 open, resistance, support, those two confluences. That's it so far. Now, check on our indicators, put one on, which is my favorite, the value area, which is the value area rule is if price is within it, we're most likely going to fill it. Simple enough. It's a 70% chance. That's the value area rule. If we're within the value area rule at open, we're most likely going to fill it. So at open, we come down, we don't break support. We're above the mid range of the value area. We go up, we break above the area high. That's three confluences. We don't break support. Well, not breaking support, it's not even confluence, but it's a signal. We didn't break support. Later, we break above our open. That's one. We break above resistance. That's two. We're above value area high of our value area rule. That's three confluences. Now, if you know about fair value gaps, it's an ICT strategy in a way, but it's just a confluence. We have blue, bullish fair value gaps. That's four. You could have took the buys when it broke above our open. You could have took buys when it broke above resistance. You could have took buys when they didn't break support, staying above the value area. When this fair value gap is formed and price breaks above, comes all the way back down, you could have gotten for buys in this area. All confluences for buy signals today. And that's pretty much what I do every single morning to find my direction, to find my entries. And the last thing that I do, one of my favorites, is the PLC indicator, which is points of concern. So as you can see here, it's this orange line that's following price. These are all points where price is interested in. As you can see here, we have one prices. You want to see what price is going to do at these levels. These are key levels for interesting momentum and development in price. So we have one here you could have bought off of. We have one here. We have one here. This one here, price came into it twice. This one here, price is even staying above that. All confluences for buys. We took those today. We made over $500. And that's just what we do every single day. I have some big goals for the month. So I'm taking it easy, but I'm also taking it heavier than usual on my contract sizes. And I'll be trading a lot more throughout the day, more early, not going later, but waking up early, getting that pre-market session in here and there. So I will be live tomorrow, where we'll be going over even more trades. But the simple strategy is the one I utilize, the one I created, and we just dance with the market. What the market is doing, what we want to do. We don't want to hold any biases. We just want to do what the market is telling us. So for more value like this, don't be afraid to hit the link in the description and join the Discord. For more value, we've got plenty of guys in there for new beginners and who are, just getting started on their trading journey. So don't be afraid to hop on in class. And guys there, my name is Silis. This is Silis Trades, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.